is a beautiful thing. So we love all the time, not just for Valentine's Day. We're there, so.
Style. Yeah, bless up.
Stay true to you and you only, right? So we'll continue like this. We love you, really good practice before you start. And sing something for me right now. Yeah, don't it? Drop that for me, Josh. Yeah, man. So no version style right now. Yeah. I'll say the spirit of love. Oh yes, Rockers International. So when you speak to me, International. Yeah. I die with this, Baltimore? Yeah. No, just put it on the man. Black traffic, I saw it for Rockers International. I also big up to everybody who take the time out of them day for come celebrate this music with us. Hold on to Josh before we start playing. Me have to make you know, say, remember say this is an every Friday thing, and I just when Lila Ike there. Mitch there every Friday. You get to me, I say, and him play the record and him play real music. So we didn't have to come collaborate and make young people know, say, this is real music, don't get it twisted. Right here is where it started. Right here, so. You get to me, I say, big up to all of the greats who set it and left it. This beautiful music. Lego. Love and light and prosperity every time. Blessings. Love and love. We love the elders them every time. Yeah, so we'll keep it jiggy. My friend say, I hear me sing that one here. Make it go and play it. Just great musically, you know. Remember, so we have some great artists. And you have artists, and then you have artists. Big up yourself in a general. Love and light and prosperity. Where say you draw them thing there? Junior Moore, blessings. From the group, Rotted. Okay, that's crazy. Every day I learn something. Junior Moore. Artists and artists. So we say blessings and love for the opportunity for some great talent. So this is a version of the song that is here. Your eyes,